Ever accidentally deleted a crucial task in Asana and felt a wave of panic wash over you? Don't worry, Asana has your back. This video will show you exactly how to retrieve those lost tasks and breathe easy again. First, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of your Asana window. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down, select Admin Console. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage your organization settings. In the Admin Console, make sure you are in the Organization tab, then click on the Activity Log button, usually found on the left-hand side. Now, use the filters at the top of the activity log to narrow down your search. You can filter by date range and by the type of action that took place. In the Action filter, select Task Deleted to specifically show all deleted tasks. You can also filter by the project the task was in. Scan through the results to find the task you want to restore. The log will show the task name and the date and time it was deleted. Once you've located the task, click the three dots next to the task entry. From the drop-down menu, select Undelete the task will be restored to its original project. Go back to the project where the task was originally located, and you'll find your task back where it belongs. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly retrieve deleted tasks in Asana, saving you time and preventing project headaches. Don't forget to subscribe for more Asana tips and tricks.